Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the latest updates from Power BI for May 2024. Update 1, now you publish the dataset into folder in Power BI service. If you have the folder in Power BI service, then you publish into that. Check and let me know in the comment how is this useful for you. The second update is the new relationship pane. This update provides a more intuitive and user-friendly interface for managing relationships between tables. The third update is related to checking the types of relationships. Now you can which are the tables are having one-to-one, many-to-one, and many-to-many relationships using filter. Please note that in this video, we've covered only some of the important updates from Power BI for May 2024. There are many more features and improvements in this release. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.